You can't put a limit to anything. The more you dream, the farther you get. Michael Phelps, swimming sensation, winner of 28 Olympic medals, including 8 golds at the 2008 Beijing Olympics. And today, I, Bhaskar Panicker, would like to review his biography. Michael Phelps, No Limits, The Will to Succeed. This book, written by Alan Abrahamson, along with Michael Phelps, is a beautiful portrayal of the sacrifices and hard work one has to do to achieve success in life. In this book, the 23 times Olympic gold winner himself explains how he became what he is today, the challenges, the failures, and the difficulties he faced. Apart from this, it also covers the hardships of being a mother. If his mother hadn't realized his potential and not taken him swimming in the morning, would the great world record holder be there today? As a child, Michael was diagnosed with attention deficit or hyperactivity disorder, ADHD. His mother could have easily given up on him, but she didn't. And I feel that the push and motivation by the family is what drove him during his early days. I personally feel that this is one of the best sports autobiographies ever written. This is because, apart from being written in detail, it is quite short and concise, which makes it a wonderful read. What I like best about the book is its name itself. No Limits explores the perseverance, hard work, and sacrifices required to achieve any goal. It also describes the feelings, emotions, beliefs, and virtues of Michael Phelps himself, which I feel help in visualizing what he went through. The book itself is written in a way that inspires one to get up and get going, which I find amazing. I would mainly recommend this book to children between the ages of 13 to 15 years because the timelines can be a bit confusing as the swimming star himself recounts his experiences in life. I would give this read a solid 4 out of 5. I feel that Michael Phelps' No Limits should be read by a fellow teen as it is the best way to imbibe the important virtues of sacrifice and hard work among others. In conclusion, I feel that you should make it a point to read this wonderful book and put your review in the comments below. Thank you.